today I'm reviewing this 12-month sticker pack. It comes with all of these. We're going to kind of go through the months. I love this because of all the extra things it comes with. But if you're doing like a planner or a journal and you want to like do the months, or a junk journal or a creative journal, and you want to have like somebody for the months. But yeah, so I don't know that these are in order. Yeah, this is. So here's January. And you can see all the different stickers that it comes with in the back. And these are like a washi consistency. And so it comes with like all different stickers, but you get the one big one for like, you know, your first page for the month. And then throughout the month, you have all these other stickers that you can add to it. March. And they're just so cute. I am saving these for next year. I like to plan ahead. I love journaling, and I used to be a big scrapbooker, but now I do more of like a creative journal and some junk journaling and just regular journaling. It's very therapeutic, but like these are just a lot of fun. Here's June's. June's is really cute. Here's, let's do July and August together. September and October's. Stuff on the back. Oh no, that's December. That's December and November, sorry. And then September and October. And what's on the back. So yeah, these are really nice. So let's just open up. I'll open up January's so you can kind of see what they're like on the inside. But each month comes packaged separately, which is nice, so that you don't have to have them all open at once. So you can just open one month at a time, work through that month, and then open the next month. But here's your like your primary page again. So pretty, little shimmer to it. See the shimmer. And then you've got all the extras that you can use throughout the month. So you have all these stickers for the whole month, whether they're planner, journal, whatever. And then, like I said, they're a washi consistency. So yeah. So I hope this helps.